Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a grid in Adobe Photoshop. Go to view and enable rulers, and then I'm just going to use this and I'm going to place it on the line here first, and then on the second one I'm going to drag it and you're going to place it on the second line. I can't see very well on my left eye, so I'm just going to eyeball it, but you're going to do the same here. It's not going to be a perfect grid, I'm so sorry, but it's just gonna, whoops, be a grid. Can I get the ruler? There we go. I'll just put it at like 100. Then you're going to want to make a line. And here's me trying to find where the line is. So get the line tool, and I'm just going to create a straight line going this way. And I'm going to place it Oops, okay, I need to put it on the first line, sorry. Let me just delete this line. There we go. Yes, delete that line. Let me just do it here first at the top. And then I'm going to press the copy and paste button. If I can just get the line. Or you're just going to create another line here. And then you're going to Control Shift Alt T, or is it the other way around? No. Oh no, I don't want to do that. We're just going to keep on making the grid. You can even move this to the next one and just keep on copying and pasting the lines. I know it's a little bit tedious, but you're just going to do that until it forms a grid. But that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do it fully though, because it's going to take me forever to do. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.